Today I'm going to show you how the prices can be stored in the system, and RigER has pretty flexible price management system. Yeah, so in terms of price management, we have different options like price list, price agreement. We can separate prices by divisions. We can apply discounts to our price list. We can have different rental periods in our billing periods, and apply a price book which will define the rental period and the applicable price. So two options how you can store your prices in the system. We have general price list and we have price agreement for a specific client for a particular period of time. The rental service agreement is a framework document that defines prices for the job. So we take prices in the invoice from the rental service agreement, which are taken from the price agreement or price list accordingly. The price list generally specifies the prices for all clients that you may have in your business for all customers. And in the general price list, you will have rental per day price and the sales price. If you sell some units to your customers, you can apply sales prices. However, if you're just rent out your equipment, the rental per day price will be applied to your particular rental units or services or goods, parts, whatever it can be. So we have three options how we can fill out the price list. The first one is to add a single item in the price list, selected from the whole list of your rental equipment, and just to enter the price for this particular item. The second option is to fill out the price list by group of items. If you have the structure of your rental fleet in the system separated or just divided by different folders, for example, in the rental unit folder, you can have multiple groups like trailers or porta potties or light towers. So you will apply this group in the price list. And the third option, and probably the most applicable to most of our clients, is to fill out the price list with the entire population of your rental equipment in the system and services as well. So you just hit the fill out button and all the rental units and services will be taken from the catalog and put it in the price list. The price agreement, it's a little bit different document that specifies the prices for a particular client for a specific period of time. You can create a price agreement for the client. Let's say in this case, you can see that it's 51 Oilfield Services Company, and you can specify the time range from and to. So let's say that we discussed and agreed with the customers that we will apply special prices for them from January 1st, 2017. We put this from date, and we also can close this price agreement at the specific period of time, specifying the to date. And one of the features of price agreement is actually that price agreement overrides the general price list if you apply it in rental service agreement. How you can do that? Every single time you select the client in the rental service agreement, new rental service agreement, the prices will be taken from the price agreement for this period of time instead of general price list. Discounts. You may have some discount situation in your operations when your customer requires some special prices, or it can be volume pricing based on the volume of the rental equipment that they utilize or some services. So in the price agreement itself, you can enter the discount in the discount field, hit recalculate button, and all the prices will be recalculated with the discount applied to this price agreement. You can apply discounts for single items in the price list or price agreement. So not the whole population of the rental equipment in the price agreement will be recalculated, but only those where you apply the discount. Price book and rental period. For some type of clients and some type of businesses, we can have a price book. What does it mean? For example, if you have clients mostly from the construction business, they may have different billing periods and rental periods. For example, you charge your client by days, it's one price. If you charge your client on a weekly basis or month by month, so it can be different prices reduced for some amount of percentage. So price book actually determines these bases, how much you will be charging your client based on the different rental periods.